Hello again guys. There's a new update on Instagram. Now you can schedule the date and time of your post. It's very easy to use. First let's quickly check if Instagram is updated to make sure that the latest features and updates are installed in your device. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there's a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Instagram. Click on the plus sign up here. At the bottom choose a post. Find your image and click on it. At the top right corner click on the next. Here you can edit your picture or add some effects. Click on next. Now scroll down and at the bottom find advanced settings. Click on it. At the very top you can see an option called schedule this post. Click on it. Here you select the date and time when you want your image to be posted. I will choose today. Go one step back and at the top right corner you can see a button called schedule. Now if there's an image or reel that you want to be posted at a certain time, you can do it here. Enjoy. That will be it for this video. For more tutorials like this follow our channel. See you in the next video.